cookie dough.
That's your cookie dough?
Yes. It's on my hand.
It's on your hand? How'd it get there?
I don't know.
What were you doing with the rolling pin?
It was poking me.
You gonna roll it on your hand? That's silly.
It's stuck on there.
It's stuck on there?
Yes.
Better get it off. That's a good idea. We've done this before. Getting it all off the table?
Yes. Off my chair.
Yep, and off the chair too. Good idea. Is that the rest of your dough?
Yes. Off my table.
Yeah. Who gave you that dough?
Mommy?
Oh. What are you going to do with it when you clean it up?
And then do it.
You're going to cook it? Oh, that's a good idea. Then what?
With it.
Then roll it some more?
Yes. And put it. Oh.
Did you hurt your hand?
Yes.
Probably should have prevented that, but whatever. Oh wow, it's an interesting method.
Yes. My ear.
Is that how you roll it?
No.
No. What's the right way? Or the better way?
Yes. But it's really eat.
Just like that?
Yes. Oh, bigger me.
Did it get on your shirt?
Yes.
I think it's okay.
Ouch. Right there. The paper.